If you ever find yourself with a scruffy beard and struggle to keep your grooming tools organized, then it might be time for a top-notch beard trimmer. A quality beard trimmer not only keeps your beard looking sharp and well-groomed, but it also comes with features that regular trimmers lack, like precision length settings and a variety of attachments for a customized grooming experience. Plus, with a sleek and compact design, it's easier than ever to manage your grooming routine, whether you're at home or on the go. But with so many beard trimmers in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 6 best beard trimmers. Whether you want a professional trimmer or one that won't break the bank, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This 8-piece set is a revolutionary gadget, especially for guys who like to keep things neat and stylish. This grooming kit has self-sharpening surgical steel blades, so you know they're going to stay sharp and last a long time. The cordless lithium-powered battery gives you up to 65 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for a full grooming session. Cleaning it is super easy, just rinse it under the faucet. Plus, it comes with a handy storage pouch that's perfect for travel. The kit comes with a full-size trimmer, a foil shaver, a nose, ear, and detail trimmer, and a hair clipper comb with 8 length settings. That's right, one tool to trim it all. But that's not all. You also get 3 beard and stubble combs to keep your facial hair just the way you like it. Whether you're going for a rugged stubble or a neatly trimmed beard, this kit has got you covered. And the best part is, it's super easy to use. The attachments snap on and off without a fuss, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. Plus, it's cordless, so you can groom on the go. No more getting tangled up in cords. Overall, the Remington Grooming Kit is a no-brainer if you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one grooming solution. It's perfect for at home or on the road, keeping you looking sharp and feeling confident. Number 5 is the Manscaped Beard Hedger Men's Beard Trimmer. It's the most travel-friendly option on our list. This thing is a beast when it comes to facial hair grooming. This beard groomer is super handy. It's got an easy-to-use zoom wheel with 20 length settings from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. So you can forget about those dozen clipper attachments and effortlessly trim everything from a thick lumberjack beard to light stubble. Plus, it's super sharp and can easily tackle even the thickest facial hair, so you don't need to worry about using blade oil. It's got a stainless steel T-blade designed for precision, giving you that sharp, clean cut every time. It's cordless and waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or on the go without any hassle. Wet or dry, this trimmer handles it all. Comfort and ease are key factors here. This gadget fits perfectly in your hand, making grooming a breeze, and it's built to last. The high-quality materials mean this trimmer is durable and reliable. For guys who want to up their beard game, this trimmer is perfect. It's waterproof, has a powerful 7,200 RPM motor, and a high-performance battery that gives you 60 minutes of use, whether you're in the shower or on the go. It's IPX7 rated, so it can handle being dunked in up to 1 meter of fresh water for 30 minutes. The Beard Hedger comes with an AC adapter, USB-C cable, a length-setting comb attachment, and a hard-shell, water-resistant travel case for trimming on the move. However, this beard trimmer is positioned as a premium product, which means it comes with a higher price tag. This can be a drawback for budget-conscious consumers looking for more affordable options. Plus, with a 7,200 RPM motor, the trimmer could be noisier than other models, which might be a concern for users sensitive to sound. Overall, the Manscaped Beard Hedger is your go-to tool if you want to keep your beard looking sharp and stylish with minimal effort. Number 4 is the Andis T-Outliner T-Blade Trimmer. This is the best trimmer for heavy-duty trimming. This bad boy is a game-changer for all your grooming needs. It's got a carbon steel T-blade that's designed for precision. Whether you're doing some detailed outlining, dry shaving, or fading, this trimmer has got you covered. The blade cuts super close and exact, making it perfect for quick finishing touches. Plus, it's built to last, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. One of the coolest features is the bump-free technology. So, no more annoying razor bumps. It gives you a super close, clean shave without irritation. It's perfect for guys who want a smooth look without the hassle. This trimmer is corded, which means you get consistent power throughout your grooming session. No more mid-trim battery die-outs. The heavy-duty 8-foot cord gives you plenty of room to maneuver, and the hanger loop makes storage a breeze. Whether you're trimming your beard, shaping your hairline, or doing some detailed work, this trimmer is your go-to tool. It's durable, reliable, and designed to give you the best grooming experience possible. Overall, the Andis T-Outliner T-Blade Trimmer is a top-notch beard product designed for men that cuts clean. Its bump-free technology ensures a smooth grooming experience, and the corded electric design guarantees consistent power for professional quality results. And if you want to know the latest prices for the beard trimmers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clip. This is the best beard trimmer for professional use. This tool is designed with you in mind, offering top-notch performance for all your haircutting needs. It's got over 100-minute runtime. That's right, over an hour and a half of continuous cutting action. This means you can power through back-to-back clients without worrying about your clipper dying on you. Plus, it's cordless, giving you the freedom to move around without getting tangled up. The Magic Clip features a high-precision stagger-tooth blade with crunch technology. What does that mean for you? It means smooth, precise cuts every time. Perfect for fades, blends, and all the intricate styles your clients love. The stagger-tooth blade is a game-changer, providing a smoother, more even cut that's hard to beat. And don't worry about comfort. This clipper is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing hand fatigue during those long days at the shop. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to work with precision and ease. However, the high-precision blades require regular maintenance, including oiling and cleaning, which can be time-consuming for some users. But overall, the Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clip is your go-to tool for professional-grade haircuts. Reliable, powerful, and designed for pros, it's everything you need to deliver top-tier service. Number 2 is the Braun Beard Trimmer 7. This is the trimmer with the best value on our list. This 8-in-1 trimmer is your ultimate solution for all your grooming needs. Whether it's your beard, body, or hair, this trimmer has got you covered. Braun's sharpest blade is designed to give you the precision you need for perfect trimming every time. And with 40-length settings, you can easily find the exact length you want, whether you're going for a close shave or a neat trim. This trimmer isn't just about versatility, it's also about convenience. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower for a quick and easy cleanup. Plus, being cordless means you can use it anywhere without being tied down by a cord. This trimmer is built for manscaping, making it easy to keep everything groomed just the way you like it. From your beard to your body hair, this trimmer handles it all. And with its sleek design, it's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. However, with its multiple attachments and features, some users may find the trimmer to be more complex or overwhelming, especially if they prefer simpler grooming tools. But overall, once you get the hang of it, this trimmer is like having a Swiss Army knife for your grooming routine. It offers versatility that's hard to beat, whether you're sculpting precise lines, tackling thick hair, or maintaining a variety of styles with ease. If you're up for exploring its full potential, it's a game changer in your grooming arsenal. Number 1 is the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000. It's the most versatile beard trimmer on our list. This 21-piece men's grooming kit is your all-in-one solution for tackling everything from your beard to body hair, and even those tricky nose and ear hairs. What's in the box? You get a full range of attachments to keep you looking sharp. This includes a beard trimmer, body groomer, face shaver, and nose and ear trimmers. Plus, it comes with a premium storage case to keep everything organized and ready to go. One of the best things about this kit is its versatility. The trimmer is designed to handle any hair type and length, making it perfect for all your grooming needs. It's got self-sharpening blades that stay sharp longer, ensuring a precise trim every time. And with 21 pieces, you've got all the tools you need for a professional quality grooming session right at home. The Multigroom 9000 is also super easy to use. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower and clean it under the tap. The powerful battery gives you up to 5 hours of cordless use, so you won't have to worry about it dying mid-trim. However, this men's grooming kit has a lot of pieces with different attachments, which might be too much for people who like simpler tools. Also, all those extra features and accessories could make the trimmer bulkier and less travel-friendly compared to simpler ones. And even though the fancy storage case is nice, it could take up more room than you think, especially if you don't have much storage space. But overall, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 sounds pretty solid with its versatility and all. But like anything, it's got its quirks. It's awesome for guys who want one tool that does it all, and got everything you need for beard, body, face, nose, and ear hair trimming, all neatly packed in a premium storage case. Perfect for keeping your grooming game on point without needing a bunch of different gadgets cluttering up your bathroom. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect beard trimmer much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.